Hey, what's up, Bitcoin holders? Welcome to another brand new. So, as I told you, my brothers, to Bitcoin was be crashing now. So you can see here this time, my brother, confirm crash. You can see here, and it is out from expectation. Right now, you can see it was create now a triple top, and after that, the support which you can see here, my brother, is break down and do a big crash. You can see here right now what where it is really going up, my brothers, pump crash or what is expected. Okay, so first of all, if I see, my friends, this time it will be completely, if I show you, my friends, it was out from this zone. So clearly say, my friend, this time it will crash down, my brothers, to easily 20 20, yeah, it will easily crash down to 28,700. Okay, brothers, so kindly, if you want to take a short position right now in Bitcoin, I think it is good option. But of course it will be take a short pumps, like just take a week now. So therefore you need to be, my friends, must use stop loss up from 30,145. Okay guys, then I hope you will be safe. So if you are understand we are really Bitcoin, then thank you, and join Telegram group for future trading signal, because we provide a future trading signal on Telegram. See you next time, guys.